Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming object mode and picking the camera or object you want to reposition. Press numpad 0 to jump into the camera view so you see what the render will capture. Once done, toggle lock camera to view in the right side end panel or choose view right arrow navigation, right arrow walk/fly for interactive movement. This allows you to move the camera using mouse and keys while keeping perspective intuitive, which is crucial for framing and composition. Now you actively change the perspective. Select the camera and press G to grab, then R to rotate, constraining with X, Y, or Z as needed for precise adjustments. Alternatively, while in camera view, press Shift plus F to enter fly mode and use WSD to translate. This feels like a first-person move and keeps motion smooth. Make sure to tweak focal length in camera properties. A shorter focal length widens perspective, while longer focal length compresses distance, which affects how the scene reads. Finish by applying transforms so the new perspective sticks. Clear unwanted offsets, and use Ctrl+A to apply location, rotation, and scale when satisfied. Once done, use View Right Arrow Align active camera to view to lock the current framing in place, and then save your file. If the camera suddenly jumps or behaves oddly, undo immediately and check your transform pivots and orientation. Switching between local and global transforms can cause unexpected shifts, so make sure you're in the intended transform orientation before confirming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.